Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be not talking about anything tech related in particular. I just like to start off the video by saying Happy New Year 2021. And I hope that all of you have a great year ahead, a fruitful and successful year. I promise to make videos as usual throughout the year, and I'm hoping to start off a new set of series, which I haven't really thought about yet, but I hope to start a new tech related series, maybe something eBay related or something like that. I'll keep you updated whenever I do figure that out. So like I said, I hope this year is much better. 2020 was not a great year. So many bad things happened, but I hope that 2021 is going to be a great year ahead. In addition to a new series, I hope to upload more frequently. I really want to rework my schedule here. I really don't have like a date that I post videos on. I just post videos randomly. And I don't think I'll ever put like a fixed date for uploading videos. Because I feel that like whenever I feel like I want to make a video. But I also want to point out that the days that I don't have any content, I'd rather not keep the channel empty. So I'm just going to upload like gameplay from Cyberpunk or Apex Legends or something like that. Just to keep you guys occupied if you guys want to see me play those games. It's better than nothing. It's just the days that I don't have anything tech related, I'm just going to upload footage of me playing Cyberpunk or Apex Legends or any other game that I do play on PC. Okay, so now that's out of the way, let's jump into the thing that you guys have all been waiting for, which is the giveaway. So I thought like it's a great way to start off the new year by doing my first ever giveaway. And as you guys already know, my channel is not monetized in any way, neither do I have any sponsors or anything like that. So everything that I do on this channel and this giveaway included is all out of my pocket. So we're going to be keeping it small for now. But once I do get monetization, I will do bigger giveaways in the future. But for now, let's keep it small. So what I'll be giving away this time is a $20 gift card of any preference. So once I've selected the winner, and I'll show you how to enter in a bit. Once I've selected the winner, I'll message them and I'll ask them what platform do you want your gift card from, whether it's Amazon, eBay, PSN, Xbox, Apple, Google Play Store, Steam, whatever. So I'll ask them what platform you need it, and as long as it's accessible through my local Amazon, I'll buy the gift card and ship it out to the winner. So today is Saturday the 2nd. Today is Saturday the 2nd, and I'll be announcing the winner within a week, meaning on Saturday the 9th. So stay tuned for that. So I'll message the winner and I'll ask them what platform do you want your gift card from. You could also choose to remain anonymous, so I don't have to say your username or name on the announcement video. So you could choose to stay anonymous. And now I'll show you how to enter. Okay, so the first way you can enter this giveaway is by subscribing to my YouTube channel and hitting that bell notification button. And if you've already done it, you're set. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell notification button, you're good. So that's one entry. The second way to win is by following me on Instagram. So the link is down in the description below for you to follow me on Instagram. Then go ahead and follow me on Discord as well. Again, links down in the description below. And finally, follow me on Twitter as well. Again, the link is down in the description below. So follow me on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will pick a single winner from, I don't know which, it might be any of the platforms. I don't know which platform it's going to be. I'll pick a single winner from any of those platforms, and I'll announce it on Saturday. So follow me on Instagram, Discord, Twitter, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you've already done all of that, you're set. So basically that's how you enter this giveaway. And on Saturday the 9th, I will announce a winner. I'll message him and I'll ask him what platform he wants his gift card to be, and I'll ship it out to him. And again, you don't have to, you could choose to be anonymous and opt out of me saying your name or your username on the announcement video. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video, and I'm looking forward to making a whole lot of new videos this year. So stay tuned for all of that. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.